Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another natural hair video. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a wash day routine using TGIN products and I am so excited. So I'm starting off on detangled hair. You want to make sure your hair is fully detangled before you start putting some water on it. Here, I'm just letting the water run through my hair. I like to wet my hair in sections to make sure my entire head is going to be saturated through. So I'm starting off with the Miracurl REPAIRx Strengthening Shampoo, and I was really excited to try this because I had seen a lot of good reviews about it, and I'm always on the hunt for good shampoos for like low porosity hair, and this was perfect, y'all. When shampooing my hair, I like to make sure that I get all in my scalp because I do get a lot of product buildup, and I also like to go down the length of my hair just to make sure my hair is squeaky clean. Now I'm using my scalp massager to kind of just basically get all that shampoo working into my scalp so that way I can remove any additional product buildup. The Miracurl REPAIRx Strengthening Shampoo gently cleanses hair without harsh sulfates. Some of the benefits is that it cleans hair gently and effectively, smooths the cuticle surface, leaves hair feeling soft and smooth, and is infused with black honey for reduced breakage and damage repair. After shampooing, I like to rinse it out using some lukewarm water. And y'all, once I was rinsing the shampoo out, oh my goodness, my hair felt so good. It did not feel stripping at all. Like, it was nice. My hair was really soft and feeling moisturized, and I love that about a shampoo. Now that my hair is freshly shampooed, I'm going in with the Honey Miracurl hair mask. So the Honey Miracurl hair mask is like an instant makeover for dry, damaged, or color treated hair. So I'm really excited to try this out in my hair because I do have color in my hair. It's not necessarily damaged, but I just like to make sure that my hair gets all the TLC it needs while having color in it. Benefits of the Honey Miracurl hair mask is that it brings your natural hair back to life, helps reduce shedding and breakage, helps with frizz control, and conditions your hair very deeply. I like to make sure that I get all my hair covered with the deep conditioner, so I will part pieces of my hair to make sure that I am saturating my entire hair, and then I will go ahead and twist it and wrap it up so that I can prepare to sit under the dryer. So I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes just to make sure that the deep conditioner can penetrate all through my hair, and now it is time to wash it out. Y'all, as I started rinsing out the deep conditioner, it literally had my hair feeling so soft and so easy to detangle with my fingers. I sit under the dryer for about 30 to 35 minutes, but if I have time during my wash days, I'll actually just sit without the dryer for about an hour. look at my hair looking so juicy and so healthy after using the deep conditioner. Now it's time to go in with the Miracurl REPAIRx Protective Leave-In Conditioner. And this leave-in conditioner adds definition while replenishing moisture to the hair, restoring softness and shine. After I add the leave-in conditioner and use my hand to finger detangle, I go ahead and put a miniature twist in there so that way I can keep it from getting tangled again. Some of the benefits of the protective leave-in conditioner is that it is a lightweight formula with no buildup, adds definition, and leaves hair feeling soft and manageable. Now it's time to use the Miracurl REPAIRx Miracurl gel to add some definition for this twist out. I like to smooth and then rake the gel into my hair so that way it coats all of the strands to get that great definition, and then I just go ahead and twist my hair down to the end. Benefits of the Miracurl gel is that it has a strong, long-lasting hold, non-flaking, and is made with castor oil to promote growth. Like a medium size twist in my hair just because I don't want too much of definition. I still like some volume, but I'm hoping that the gel will give me the definition I'm looking for while also still keeping that volume. Now I have all my twists done, so I'm going to let it dry overnight so that way it can be completely dry before I take it down. So it's the next morning and my hair is completely dry, so now I'm going to show you all the takedown process. To help with the takedown, I'm using the one and only argan oil to help reduce frizz while I take down my twist. I just rub it all through my hair so that way it can also add some extra shine and prevent that frizz that I don't want. When unraveling your hair, you want to make sure you are taking your time. I sped this clip up, but taking your time helps reduce the frizz. So this is my hair fresh out the twist. Now I'm going to go ahead and section my hair so I can separate the hair. Now that my hair is separated, it is time to go ahead and use my hair pick to just add a little bit more volume and kind of fluff the hair out. And here we have the final product. I give this line a 10 out of 10. My curls are super juicy and super defined. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried the Miracurl REPAIRx line and if you loved it. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.